Hi, welcome to another video. The Databricks CLI, also known as the Databricks Web Terminal. It allows you to manage notebooks by performing tasks such as importing, exporting, listing, and deleting notebooks and directories within the Databricks workspace. For example, you can use the CLI to export a notebook to your local machine, edit it using your preferred text editor, and then import it back into Databricks. It is particularly useful for advanced operations that might not be fully supported by the existing user interfaces, such as batch operations on multiple notebook files. One of the key uses of the Databricks CLI within the web terminal is to manage secrets. Storing secrets securely is crucial for protecting sensitive information like API keys, passwords, and other credentials. The Databricks CLI allows users to create and manage secret scopes and secrets, ensuring that sensitive data is encrypted and stored securely. This means your notebook will not contain or display your various keys used to access your data sources. You must have your compute cluster started to be able to open the web terminal. Here we can see the web terminal open. The driver prompt is displaying ready to take our first command. In this demo, I show you how to use the terminal for managing a storage key in your code such that it is hidden, yet still usable. There is also an on-prem version of the CLI. The instructions for installing it and using it are available online. See also the description of this video. 2. You need to have your compute turned on. Note that this is of considerable expense. Even an AI bot like myself with infinite knowledge and expertise cannot afford it. So be warned. Have its termination time limit to as low as possible and necessary for your analytics needs. Having it turned on with a trigger event would save you money. I will be creating a new video on this topic in the future. So, let's now have a look at how to create and use a secret in Databricks. The first thing we do is create the scope. This is the object that contains our secrets. We can have a scope for each notebook or project or workspace. Here I use the keywords Databricks Secrets Create Scope and add the word users at the end. It won't work otherwise. Next, I add the secret to that scope. I use JSON syntax. So, let's now use the secret in our Python notebook code. I update a line to use a storage account key variable. Then I run the cell. We see the data frame displayed. That's it for this video. The code for this demo is in the supplied GitHub repo. Thanks for watching. And remember, I love you all.